So guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about fake snap score not updating on Snapchat account in iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, lot of Snapchat user report to snap score not updating on Snapchat account in iPhone and Android devices. I already video on snap score not showing but still cannot fix this issue on Snapchat account. So guys, please follow the step. If you any step miss, then not working this trick in your Snapchat account. So guys, first of all open the Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android. Then you can see also right corner profile icon. So please tap on that. Then you can see also my snap score is 27 but still cannot updating on other account. Check. So guys, I also so how to my next second account I will check this account score. So top corner search and I also search iTechHub. Then you can see also not updating snap score in this account. So guys, how to fix this issue on Snapchat account and easy to solve your problems. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue on your Snapchat account. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to solve your problem. So guys, first of all open the any browser, then I give you link in description. So please tap on that and open the this type interface in your iPhone as well as Android. So guys, please you can see also login into Snapchat. If you snap score not updating in your account, so please enter your ID and passwords in this link. Then again tap on the login. So guys, login after you can see also this type delete account interface in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, again enter your passcode. Then you can see also continue option. So please tap on continue. Then sometime after mail from the Snapchat supports in your link official email address. So please enter your real email address in your Snapchat account with link. So easy to solve your problems. Delete account after you can see also account deactivated option show in your iPhone interface. Then again, if you cannot login in 30 days, so please permanently delete your account. So please don't miss any steps in your iPhone as well as Android and easy to snap score updating problem solve in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, then you can see also this type mail show in your iPhone as well as Android in email address Snapchat account deletions, and this mail come from the Snapchat supports. So please after deleting the account, then sometime wait like 1 hours and 2 hours wait, then again reactivate your Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android. So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about that. So please follow the steps, don't miss any steps, otherwise delete your permanently account. So again open the Snapchat account. So guys, please login your account again. Then first of all enter your username and also password in your Snapchat account. Then you can see also your account is currently deactivated, so please activate again. So please tap on the yes. Then this type pop-up again so in your iPhone. Please wait few moments for the your account will be reactivated. So guys, please wait for the 10 to 20 minutes in your Snapchat account reactivate in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Easy to fix your Snapchat score updating problem in your iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, again I will show you this type mail come from the Snapchat support. So please follow the steps. Team Snapchats, your Snapchat account is ready to use. So guys, please come back in your iPhone and Android home screens. Then again open the Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android. Again enter username and passcode. Then you can see also this type Snapchat score updating. After you can see also after login open the Snapchat settings. Then you can see also scroll down and tap on the clear cache. After clear cache again login Snapchat account in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Then easy to solve your problem. Snapchat I also snap score fix issue on my account. So guys, I will show you my fix account. So guys, first of all open the Snapchat, then again tap on the profile icon, then you can see also my Snapchat score is 27. Then again I will show you another account, my Snapchat score is fixed or not. So guys, I will show you, open the camera, then you can see also second mobiles in my Android devices. So in open the Snapchat, then you can see also another account login in another mobiles, then you can see also top corner search option. So please search my old account, so I will search iTechHub, then you can see also my snap score updating issue fix on my Snapchat account easily. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about this topic, so please DM on my Instagram account.